Presiden Amerika Serikat Donald Trump membantah Amerika Serikat dipaksa Israel untuk menyerang Iran. Trump mengatakan justru dirinya yang mungkin memaksa Israel untuk bertindak karena menurutnya jika Amerika Serikat tidak bergerak lebih dulu, Israel akan menyerah.
No, I might have forced their hand. You see, we were having negotiations with these lunatics, and it was my opinion that they were going to attack first. They were going to attack. If we didn't do it, they were going to attack first. I felt strongly about that. And we have great negotiators, great people that do this very successfully and have done it all their lives very successful. And based on the way the negotiation was going, I think they were going to attack first. And I didn't want that to happen. So if anything, I might have forced Israel's hand. But Israel was ready and we were ready, and we've had a very, very powerful impact because virtually everything they have has been knocked out now. Their missile count is going way down. Amazingly, they're hitting countries that were, let's call them neutral, right? They lived together for a long time.